Good evening, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday of the month. On the first Sunday of the month is a time when I do my free monthly giveaway. I used to use a big bucket full of names and we had dogs picking them out and kids and pretty girls and all kinds. Now I've gone up market, we use a computer. I'm going to go upstairs, press some buttons and try and find a winner. Right, in October 1981, all you have to do is send me an email. That's my email up there, and I'll get the prizes off to you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another giveaway. I'm going to carry on doing giveaways every month until I've got nothing left to give away, or I don't do videos anymore. It's just a little sort of way of me giving something back for all the thanks and support I get in this video channel adventure of mine. Right, I'm going to show you the prizes now. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. Set of Cleveland drills, really good drills, I like them. Anchor lube, I use anchor lube along with the Cleveland drills, it keeps things alive. If you want to buy this, that is actually the eBay number just above. Little deburring tool from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma, these are really handy. And of course a coveted double boost cap. I'm actually going to get some more of these printed double boost ones, and I'm getting some piss wobbly slack ones done as well, so they'll be coming on eBay long before Christmas. If you want to enter the competition, all you need to do is obviously watch the video, which you've done, subscribe to my channel, share it with as many friends as possible. You need to write a comment. In the comments box you need to write 2025 give away 9. Simple as that. All lowercase, no full stops, no nothing. 2025 giveaway 9. My computer will generate a winner from that. Once again, just time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and good luck in the competition. Anyway, thanks for watching.